Hey there, Jason Hubbard here, EXP Realty. Today I'm out in Santan Valley at Bella Vista Farms. We're taking a look at the Ashton Woods builder. We're going to look at the sunflower floor plan. And this property here is 2,219 square foot, has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a guest retreat. Let's go ahead, go inside and take a look. Okay, as we come in, right down the hallway here, we got bedrooms to the left and the garage to the right. But as we walk in, we're at our kitchen area here. You'll see this one here comes with the white cabinets, the model here. They got the backsplash, quartz countertops. Right next to the dining area here. These are come with a tile plank flooring. Nice spacious living room with a 4-panel wide slider. Opens in the middle. These lots here in by Ashton Woods come with 6,600 square foot lots. Here we go into the master bedroom and bathroom area. You'll see cultured marble walk-in shower, tile flooring. You have some linen closet there, double sinks. The master closet is relatively spacious for a 2,200 square foot home. Keeping in mind here, obviously the model homes are always updated a little bit more than what you're going to be getting at the spec level. So as we come back out of the master bedroom, 9-foot ceilings here by Ashton Woods. Utility room. Here is our retreat. This retreat is standard in the sunflower model. I've seen this retreat before with a little kitchenette area here. The model has it built up as an exercise area, but this retreat is awesome if you got your mother-in-law, father-in-law, maybe if you've got teenage kids that need their own space. They have their own bathroom here, their own bedroom. So having the bathroom, bedroom, and living area where you can kind of just separate them out from the rest of the house. And then as we come back here towards the front door, again, garage entry there, and this is a 2.5 car garage. And then here you have 2 bedrooms. With a shared bathroom. So again, Jason Hubbard here with EXP Realty, standing in an Ashton Woods house here located in Bella Vista Farms. This is the sunflower model, which is 2,219 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath with a retreat. These homes here come on 6,600 square foot lots. They're only selling spec homes out here, so they're ready for you right now. Currently, they have a spec home out here of the sunflower floor plan that is for $459,990. That's a spec plan. Their base prices are $433,900. So that's what you're looking at when you're out here at Ashton Woods and you look at this model floor plan. Don't forget to bring your agents with you when you come out here. Keep in mind that although the staff here is wonderful, they're great to work with, they do not represent you, they represent the builder. So if you're looking for representation, which you should, make sure to call a real estate agent first, have them go with you on your first trip out there. I'm more than happy to help. You can give me a call. You can reach me at the number right down below, 480-588-2281. And also, if you're interested in a larger home, 2-story home in this floor plan, they have a great incentive going on right now. So check the link above if you want to check out that property. Thank you again for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.